remove the cover from the shipping bag and place it on the hood of the truck. Unfold the cover on the hood with the front flap, which is outlined in black, toward the front of the truck. On the front side of the cover, above the flap, find the black 1/2 inch strap. Expand the opening of the strap and slip it over the mirror. Repeat for the other mirror. With the cover straps over the two outside mirrors, pull the cover over the roof. Find the rear hook. This is a rear-facing hook that attaches to the truck bed. Force the hook downward between the cab and the bed and clip the hook to the bed. Repeat this process for both rear corners. With the cover now attached to the truck, let's fit it. Don't worry if the cover looks a little bit too big in the rear. We're going to fix it. On the cover behind the mirror, find the buckle on each side. You will pull the strap to tighten the front part of the cover. As you pull the strap, watch the front of the cover where it slips over the mirror. Pull the strap until the cover slides down to the bottom of the mirror. Repeat for both sides. At the left rear of the cover, find the cord lock. Pull the side of the cord that runs through the rear hem until the slack in the rear hem is removed. As you pull the cord, you will see the rear hem tighten up. It's pulling the cover over the roof and in from the sides to give it a nice tight fit. You will need to slide the right side rear hem over the cord to straighten up the cover. Once the rear hem is straightened, the folds in the cover should be even across the rear hem. You will only need to do this once when you first install the cover. Tie a knot immediately behind the cord lock to fix the position of the cover for your truck. The truck cover has an anti-theft feature. To utilize this feature, take the last approximately 18 inches, fold it over twice, and tie a knot in it. With the knot in the rear cords, to utilize the anti-theft feature, simply open the rear door, insert the knotted end inside the cab, and close the door before attaching the left rear corner of the cover to the truck. Smooth the front flap over the lower portion of the windshield and place the wipers on the cover to hold it in place. The cover is now installed. To uninstall the cover, start on the passenger side by releasing the tension on the front strap. Push on the buckle end to let the strap slide through the buckle. Then release the tension on the driver's side buckle. Move to the driver's side rear and unhook the rear cover corner from the bed. If using the anti-theft feature, remove the cord from the cab. Remove the passenger side rear hook from the bed. Grab the cover, pulling it over the roof and letting it settle on top of the front flap on top of the windshield. Start rolling the cover across the windshield toward the driver's side. Since the truck is too big to reach across the hood on the driver's side, slide the cover over the fender and continue rolling the cover. When the cover is completely rolled up, you will see a built-in storage bag. At this point, reach inside the storage bag, grab the cover at its base, and turn the bag over the rolled-up cover. When finished, wrap the storage bag strap over the rolled-up cover to secure it in place.